Hey, welcome back to Hidden Classic Deals. I'm John Statham, and today we're checking out classic cars under $8,000. Some may need a little work, but they all have potential. Let's get started.
1963 Chevrolet Impala. Some classics don't just need restoration. They need someone with a vision. This 1963 Chevrolet Impala is one of those projects that could become something truly special. Priced at $5,000, it offers an affordable entry into one of Chevrolet's most recognizable and desirable full-size classics. What makes this Impala especially interesting is the potential already sitting under the hood. A 5.3-liter LS engine is included and already positioned in the engine bay, waiting to be installed. For many enthusiasts, that means a great opportunity to blend classic styling with modern V8 performance. The car comes with a clean title in hand, making the next steps of the project a little easier. Finished in brown with a matching brown interior, this Impala still carries the timeless lines that made the model famous. Located in Rock Island, Illinois, it does need restoration work, but the foundation is there. Whether you envision a comfortable cruiser, a custom street machine, or a weekend show car, this classic Chevy offers plenty of possibilities for the next owner. 1982 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Wagon. Big wagons have a charm all their own, and this 1982 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Wagon proves why they continue to attract loyal fans. With an asking price of $4,500, this full-size Chevrolet offers classic style, practicality, and plenty of room for future adventures. Sometimes, the best classics are the ones you can simply enjoy right away, and according to the seller, this wagon runs and drives. Finished in yellow, it stands out from the crowd while delivering the unmistakable look of an early 1980s family cruiser. Vehicles like this have become increasingly difficult to find, especially in wagon form. Located in Oneida, Tennessee, this Caprice could serve as a comfortable weekend cruiser, a fun road trip machine, or a project to personalize over time. With approximately 89,000 miles showing, it still has the character and presence that make vintage wagons so appealing. Whether you're a collector or simply appreciate old-school American cars, this Chevrolet offers a unique opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. 1955 Ford Fairlane. Every now and then, a classic appears that feels like a time capsule from another era. This 1955 Ford Fairlane is one of those cars, offering vintage style and originality at an affordable $4,900 asking price. One of the most appealing features is its reported 36,000 original miles, an impressive figure for a vehicle of this age. Power comes from the original 223 cubic inch inline-six engine paired with a traditional 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. The seller states that the car runs and drives, making it a promising candidate for preservation or restoration. Finished in green, the Fairlane retains much of the character that made mid-1950s Ford so popular. While it currently needs brake work and will require towing, the car reportedly has no broken windows and presents a solid foundation for the next owner. Located in Fort Wayne, Indiana, this classic Ford offers a chance to own an authentic piece of 1950s Americana with plenty of potential waiting to be unlocked. 1951 Chevrolet Truck Project Pair. Not every project comes alone, and this unique package offers two vintage trucks for one price. Available for $3,000 for the pair, these classic Chevrolet and GMC trucks could be exactly what a dedicated builder has been searching for. The package includes a red 1951 Chevrolet 3/4-ton truck and a blue GMC 1/2-ton short bed truck. Both vehicles come with titles, but neither currently has an engine or transmission. The seller is clear that these trucks are rough and will require rust repair, floor work, and plenty of attention before returning to the road. Located in Dakota, Illinois, the trucks are being sold together and include an extra hood as part of the deal. For someone interested in vintage truck restoration, part sourcing, or custom builds, the possibilities are numerous. While significant work lies ahead, opportunities to acquire multiple classic truck projects at this price point don't come around every day. 1974 Dodge Dart Sport. Sometimes a project car is much closer to the finish line than it appears, and this 1974 Dodge Dart Sport fits that description perfectly. With an asking price of just $2,500, it offers a lot of performance potential for the money. Under the hood is a 360 V8 that recently received upgrades including a new camshaft, lifters, ARP head bolts, and aftermarket rocker arms. According to the seller, the engine mainly needs push rods before reassembly can continue. Backing the V8 is a rebuilt 904 automatic transmission with very low mileage since the rebuild, along with a rear axle equipped with 3.55 gears. Located in Monterey, Tennessee, the Dart also benefits from new tires, fresh carpet, and upgraded gauges. While a radiator and shifter are not included in the sale, the foundation appears to be there for someone looking to complete the project. For Mopar enthusiasts, this affordable classic could become a fun street machine with the right finishing touches. 1988 Chevrolet Camaro Project Car. Some projects are all about finding the right balance between work required and value offered. This 1988 Chevrolet Camaro Project Car presents exactly that kind of opportunity with a $2,000 asking price. The seller states that the car runs and moves under its own power, thanks to a 355 cubic inch V8 paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission. Several important components have already been replaced, including the alternator, distributor, radiator, power steering pump, water pump, and exhaust manifolds. That means a number of common maintenance items have already been addressed. Located in Winchester, Ohio, the Camaro does need additional attention. Brake work, exhaust repairs, a fuel regulator leak, and aging tires are among the issues mentioned. Despite that, the body reportedly has very little rust and comes with a clean Ohio title. For enthusiasts seeking an affordable third-generation Camaro project, this Chevy offers a solid starting point with plenty of V8 powered potential. Number 7. 1960 Ford Thunderbird Coupe. Some classics have a presence that never fades, and this 1960 Ford Thunderbird Coupe is a perfect example. Offered at $4,000, this iconic personal luxury car delivers timeless styling and the kind of road presence that made Thunderbirds famous during the golden age of American automobiles. There's something intriguing about a project that was running not too long ago. According to the seller, this Thunderbird ran when parked about a year ago. Finished in green and showing approximately 98,564 miles, it retains the distinctive design elements that make the second-generation Thunderbird such a favorite among collectors today. Located in Sellersburg, Indiana, this Ford features shaved door handles, giving it a custom touch that sets it apart from stock examples. While it will likely need some attention before returning to regular road use, the car offers plenty of potential for restoration or customization. For enthusiasts seeking a stylish classic with character, this Thunderbird could be a rewarding project waiting for the right owner. 1940 Chevrolet two-door. Hot rod projects don't get much more interesting than this. This 1940 Chevrolet two-door combines classic pre-war styling with custom modifications, creating a project that stands out from the crowd. With an asking price of $3,000, it offers an affordable way to enter the world of vintage custom cars. One glance at this Chevy reveals that it isn't your average restoration candidate. The body features a 4-inch chop, giving the car a lower, more aggressive profile. It also sits on a 1979 Monte Carlo frame, blending old-school looks with a more modern chassis foundation. Located in Louisville, Indiana, the vehicle comes with a clean title and is being offered by the owner's family. Whether you're dreaming of building a traditional hot rod, a custom cruiser, or a unique show car, this Chevrolet provides a solid starting point. Projects with this level of customization already completed can save builders both time and effort, while still leaving plenty of room for personal touches. 1967 Ford Galaxy Convertible. Few things capture the spirit of classic American cruising quite like a vintage convertible. This 1967 Ford Galaxy Convertible delivers exactly that experience, and with a $4,500 asking price, it offers an affordable path into open-top classic car ownership. Sometimes, the best classics are the ones that can be enjoyed while improvements are made over time. According to the seller, this Galaxy runs, drives, and has a functioning convertible top. That means the next owner can choose between a full restoration or simply enjoying the car as it sits. Finished in yellow and located in Georgetown, Indiana, the Galaxy still showcases the bold styling that made Ford's full-size models so popular during the late 1960s. The seller notes that restoration work is needed, but the car remains usable in its current condition. Whether you're searching for a weekend cruiser, a parade car, or a long-term project, this convertible offers plenty of classic appeal and potential. 1950 Custom Deluxe 4-door. Every classic car has a story, and this 1950 Custom Deluxe 4-door appears to have preserved much of its original character over the decades. Priced at $3,700, it represents an intriguing opportunity for collectors who appreciate vintage American automobiles. One of the standout details is the reported 30,000 original miles, a figure that immediately grabs attention on a vehicle more than 70 years old. Under the hood is the original flathead V8 engine, which the seller states still runs. For enthusiasts who value authenticity, retaining the original power plant is a major plus. Located in Veedasburg, Indiana, this Custom Deluxe offers the charm and simplicity that define early post-war American cars. While it is described as being in fair condition, it provides a solid foundation for preservation, restoration, or casual enjoyment. For anyone looking to own a genuine piece of automotive history without spending a fortune, this classic could be well worth a closer look.